The days warmed up to about 50. Well, hello everybody. The day's January the 16th. Finally got warm enough for me to get out and do a little something. It's been really cold out here, and I just don't do good in the cold weather. And it's been raining and just been really nasty. So I've been catching up and doing a lot of stuff at work that I needed to do. Then maybe that'll give me a little more free time when it does get warm. Like today, the days warmed up to about 50, and I can get out when it's 50. So I came on out, and I got 2 orders to do. I got one big order for Pancho Villa himself, and he owns the Mexican restaurant here in town, and he's a good old boy. He's a woodworker, and he's got a wood shop, I think, that had some damage done during that hurricane that he needs to fix up. So he needs some 2x4's, 2x6's, and some 4x4's, I think. About 30 of the 2x4's, 16 foot long. So that'd be pretty fun to saw up there. So we're gonna do that, and then the old fella from church that gave me these logs here, well, these 3 here, he wants some 2x4's also. So we'll knock that out and make sure he gets that. These I think these pines here come from some around the house over there, and I think these came from the edge of a field, so it's a good chance to have something in it. So I thought we'd better check it. Which I checked just about everything. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. I really appreciate the ones that wished us a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I heard Mark Gleachy and Eddie talking yesterday. They were talking about being so cold up there, their logs is froze. And whenever that happens, they gotta use that master dog up there. And they were commenting that I needed to get me one. I would like to put one on there. I've thought about that several times. Them old boys got it going on pretty good up there. Y'all check them out. Mark Gleachy and spending time with Eddie. I like watching that old Mark Gleachy and Eddie. And I like watching old John Clark up there. And all of them's got this same kind of metal detector. So that's why I went with it. I thought, yeah, them old boys ain't got sense to get out of the rain, but they probably know something about what they're doing on metal detecting. So, talking about good old boys, I talked to Brett yesterday. He said it's been real cold up there where he's at. Said Andrew got some appointments or something, and he didn't know if they was gonna get the saw done this week. I told him he was gonna have to find some new help. Yeah, if you get a chance, check out old Andrew's Lumber up there. Them boys have got it going on good. Another old boy got a circle mill doing good right now is old Rob up there. Sawmill Sunday. That's his channel. Go check him out. And another old boy I like to watch. Got all these guys on my mind because I hadn't been sawmilling myself, so I've been watching YouTube. But I like watching that old Gary Wheeler up there. He's up there in Michigan. He don't care how cold it gets. He gonna saw whether it's a blizzard or raining or sunshine. He don't care. He gonna deliver the mail either way. But he does a good job. If I can, I was wanting to shout out a few of my comments here. People on my last video, which is just before Christmas, I think. No, it was on Christmas Day. That's what it was. That's my last video. The ones that wished me a Merry Christmas, old Mr. Ellis, Mr. Bill Ellis, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And Mark up there at Wild West Mill I was just talking about. Merry Christmas to you too, buddy. And I appreciate all you commenting on my channel there. I appreciate it. Lester at Sawwood, Lester 46 Sawwood. He wished us a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And the Bearded Carpenter, he's been a real nice fellow to talk to on the comment sections here, and seems to be a good Christian man. The Bearded Carpenter, go check his channel out. He constructs some log cabins and workshops and sheds and stuff. Just an amazing carpenter. Go check him out. And I appreciate you commenting on here all the time. I really do. And old Mark Gleachy, he wished us a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Mark. And David Beebe and old Pat Paul. He's a character. He's all the time saying something funny. And John, he got a kind of an encrypted name there, Z2D40 or something. And I appreciate it. He wished us a Merry Christmas, and I appreciate all y'all watching my channel. in Canada I was talking about a little while ago, he's up Mark, don't know his last name, but it's Wild West Sawmill. I think they're a pallet company or something. But he's so busy, I mean, gosh dang, it's just, it wears me out watching all that. Hey, another pretty good old sawmill on YouTube, Nichols Sawmilling. He's a regular sawmiller, you know, he's in it, it's what he does for a living.